So I'm gonna start by using some dry conditioner in my hair and combing it out. This one I'm using is by Cake. Then I'm gonna go ahead and tie my hair into some pigtails. The primer I'm gonna be using is by Neutrogena. Now I'm gonna use this color correcting palette by NYX, and I'm gonna use the green one to cover any red spots. What I'm gonna use is a cream color that I'm just gonna put under my eyes to even out the tone. The foundation I'm using, and the one I use in almost all my looks, is this MAC Pro Longwear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation in the shade NC25. Next, I'm gonna use Benefit's Blowing Brightening Concealer number 1 to brighten my face. And I'm just gonna put some under my eyes, on my forehead, and on my chin. This is a contour palette by Too Faced called Cocoa Contour, and I'm just gonna use the lighter brown shade to contour under my cheekbones, on my chin, and on the corners of my chin just to bring it out a little more. And now I'm gonna put some of the white powder just on the spots that I brightened with the concealer. Now I'm gonna use Benefit's Hoola Bronzer on my cheeks, basically everywhere on my forehead except for the part that I put the concealer, and along the sides of my face between the cheekbone contour and my forehead. This blush is also by Too Faced, and it does have highlight incorporated into it, so it does bring a little shine. Now I'm gonna go ahead and bake the areas that I put concealer and brightened with this Bare Minerals Mineral Veil Finishing Powder, and I'm gonna go ahead and leave that on there while I do my eyes. This liquid liner is one of my favorites. It glides on so easily. It's Man Eater liquid liner by Tarte. Like seriously, you can create flawless winged liner with this. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply L'Oreal Voluminous Base Primer. And while I wait for that to set, I'm gonna go ahead and brush off the powder that I left on my face. And I forgot to show which mascara I'm using, but it's Buxom Big T's Plumping Mascara. And here's another Buxom product. It's the Mai Tai Plumping Lip Gloss. And to top it all off, I'm gonna use NYX Matte Finish Spray. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this get ready with me for my trip to Disneyland. And if you can, please like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.